This is James Robertson of Syncom Systems. This morning I'm going to go through some more things that you probably want to load into your Smalltalk image once you've gotten it downloaded and installed. So let me do a brief example to show you what I'm talking about first. Let's go to the browser and I'll resize this in. Now if you go here and you have this open, say here, and you've got this class here, now you come over here to the launcher and you say, well, I really want to browse class object while I'm at it. It opens up a new browser. So that's probably not what you want all the time. You'd probably like to have a different view. Well, it turns out you can do that. You can go here to View and say New View, and you saw something flash briefly, and if I go back to the View menu, you'll notice that I have a different view here, and I can switch it over to this, and then come back and notice that I have this. Now, that's not terribly obvious visually in the browser, so let's close this for a moment, and I get the warning. And let's go to the Parcel Manager. And once I'm here, I'll go back to Essentials, Environment Enhancements rather. I will scroll down, and you see this one, RB tabbed Tool Sets. Let's load that, close it, and now we'll open up the browser. And if I come here and say, oh, let me get a new view, you'll notice instead it pops a tab up here. So this gives you something that works a little bit more like Firefox or Internet Explorer 7. If I switch tabs, I get my different view. Now it's not as nice as it could be. If I go to Browse and say Class, it'll still pop a new browser at me, which I'd prefer if it didn't. But in any case, you can approach a single browser view by using the RB tabs and the View menu. And you can still switch via the View menu this way, and notice how it switches tabs. But I think the tabs make it more visually obvious what's going on. In any case, it's kind of a nice addition to the tool set, and it's something you probably want to load in to make your life a little easier.